This is a video tutorial for how to use the IFAS SharePoint services for group collaboration. Feel free to pause this video at any time and follow my steps in the frame below. First, the URL for IFAS SharePoint is my.ifas.ufl.edu. When you click the Go to IFAS SharePoint link below, the frame will be redirected there. If this is the first time that you have been to my.ifas.ufl.edu on the computer that you are currently logged on to, then you will be prompted to enter a username and password. If you have already visited the site before and told your browser to remember your password, then you should already be looking at the main IFAS SharePoint page. If you're prompted for a username or password, you will need to either enter UFAD / your username or your username at ufl.edu and then your password. And you should do that so it remembers it. Once you have entered the site, take some time to orient yourself with all of the sections. This is the main IFAS SharePoint page. This middle section includes news and other items that directly are related to IFAS as a whole. At the top here you'll see some subsections. This is for administration, this is for the centers, etc. We'll be primarily focusing on department sites, and in particular we want to create a subsite under a department site. For grins we're going to create a subsite under agronomy, and we're going to call it the cool group. So this would be a collaboration site for the cool group. Everybody in the cool group can view its content and collaborate. So once you are signed into SharePoint and you access your department's subsite, you can then create a site underneath there, and then it will show up in the sites section. So we're going to create a new site or workspace. We're going to give it a title. This is going to be the cool group. Collaboration with the cool people. And you can give it underneath the SharePoint, my.ifas. You can name it whatever you want. So you can go directly there. Alright, this is going to be a team site. The cool group is a team of people working on a particular project. And we're going to use, instead of the same permissions as the parent site, because we don't want the entire agronomy department to look at this. We want only the cool people. So we're going to click Use Unique Permissions. And you can display the site on the quick launch of the parent site, so you can easily get to it from the agronomy site. So I would leave that at yes and leave the use the top link part. So create. Now we are creating our site.